In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Epson XP printer using a USB cable to your computer. In this video, I'll use my PC computer, but it works with Mac as well. So the first step is to connect this end of the cable on the back of your printer. If you don't have one of these, I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon. So in the back of this model, the USB port is right over here. Maybe yours is on the other side. So let me connect my cable and then go ahead, turn on the printer if it's not already turned on, and connect the other end in your computer. After doing that, I suggest you wait at least 5 minutes. The computer will search for any drivers that it needs to download, and everything will be done automatically. I'll show you how to do it manually in case this doesn't work, don't worry. So now all it's left to do is to open any files on your computer. Again, this is a PC. On a Mac it's almost the same. So I'll open this file, I'll go and select the print icon. And usually under printer over here, you'll be able, by searching, to find your printer since it has been connected and recognized by your computer. And after that, simply press the print button. Now, if it doesn't work for you, another thing you can do is to go over here, press the Windows logo, maybe it's over there. Click on Settings, click on Bluetooth and Device. Then on the right side, select Printers and Scanners. And then you may have to click Add Device and add it this way. If nothing worked at this point, what I suggest is that you go on Google, type the name of your printer. So in my case, let's say it's Epson XP 7100, and then write driver. Search. And one of the first results should be from the official Epson website. Select one of these. Make sure that you are under download. Go down. Select your OS, so Windows whatever or Mac OS whatever. Press go. Go down. Wait. And now you'll be able to install the drivers and utility combo package installer. Press download, wait a few minutes, double click the file that just got downloaded, and you will install the drivers, and then your computer will be able to see your Epson XP printer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.